As the 2024 NBA draft approaches, one name dominates the pre-draft chatter: Bronny James. Son of basketball icon LeBron James, Bronny has garnered significant attention despite a relatively modest college basketball career. Several intriguing storylines surround his potential selection, making him one of the most discussed prospects in recent draft history. Bronny James, whose full name is LeBron Bronny James Jr., played college basketball but struggled to make a significant impact on the scoreboard. Despite this, his lineage and basketball pedigree have piqued the interest of NBA scouts and fans alike. Many wonder if NBA teams will take a chance on him based on his famous surname alone. The debate intensifies over whether Bronny James is a worthy draft pick purely because of his genetics. Critics argue that his performance in college games does not justify a high draft position, citing statistics that highlight his limited scoring output. However, supporters point to his potential for growth, considering his young age and the mentorship he has received from his father, one of the greatest players in NBA history. His agent has emphasized that limited pre-draft workouts have prevented teams from fully assessing Bronny's skills and development. This lack of exposure adds an element of mystery to his draft prospects, leaving NBA franchises to weigh the risks and rewards of selecting him. Despite the uncertainties, some analysts believe Bronny James could be a sleeper pick, potentially offering long-term benefits to a team willing to invest in his development. His family's legacy and the narrative surrounding his journey to the NBA draft combine to create a compelling storyline that has captured the imagination of basketball fans worldwide. As draft day approaches, speculation continues to swirl around Bronny James. Will a team take a chance on him, betting on his potential to evolve into a formidable NBA player? Or will concerns about his college performance and readiness for professional basketball lead teams to pass on him? The 2024 NBA draft promises to be one of the most intriguing in recent memory, largely due to the presence of Bronny James and the debate surrounding his draft stock. Whether he becomes a franchise cornerstone or a footnote in NBA draft history remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the spotlight will be firmly on him come draft night.